Welcome to our Antique Farm Equipment Show that happens every year during the Memorial Day weekend at Santa Margarita Ranch. Here you can see amazing antique farm equipment in action. You can also see modern farm equipment showing off what they can do. After the tractors parade, it's time for a good old train ride. You'll ride around the amazing Santa Margarita Ranch and see some very interesting sights. After the train ride, stop by to see how a blacksmith works. My personal most favorite exhibit was Chuck Wagons exhibit, where you can see how cowboys working on a ranch prepare food in these specially equipped chuck wagons. This chuck wagon owner has a great sense of humor. The next part of the show is the old military equipment exhibit, which is also worth checking out. In Kids Corral section, there are games for kids and a model railroad. We finished our day at the show with the Aerobatics Air Show. There are two small planes that perform in the sky just for you.